When the centipede strikes, it pierces the prey with these venom claws and injects a powerful toxin. The venom quickly paralyzes the prey, preventing it from fighting back or escaping. After the prey is paralyzed, the centipede wraps its body and legs tightly around it, securing its grip. It then begins feeding using its strong mouthparts called mandibles. The centipede tears the prey into smaller pieces while releasing digestive enzymes. These enzymes break down the prey's tissues, turning them into a softer form that the centipede can easily consume. This feeding process can take several minutes, depending on the size of the prey. They possess specialized venom claws called forcipules. These are actually modified front legs that curve forward like sharp hooks. Inside these claws are venom glands. Centipedes use their long antennae to detect movement, vibrations, and scent in their surroundings. Even the slightest movement from an insect can alert them. Once they sense prey nearby, the centipede moves with surprising speed. Using its many legs, it rushes forward and grabs the victim before it has time to escape. Now this centipede has captured a moth. The moth is paralyzed, it cannot fly or move. The centipede is wrapping around the moth and is about to start eating. You can see the centipede has started feeding on the moth. This is how they consume their prey. Compared to the centipede, the moth is a harmless insect. The centipede is busy eating the moth and does not want to let it go. Centipedes are nocturnal predators that spend most of their time hiding under rocks, soil, or inside dark, moist places. They don't build webs or traps. Instead, they rely on speed, venom, and precision to catch their prey. While many insects like moths or small bugs are harmless, they often become food for predators like centipedes. This is part of the natural balance of the ecosystem. If you enjoy real wildlife and insect behavior videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more nature encounters.